Hello fellows, we are discussing arithmetic progression exercise 2.1. So today's section I am going to solve the 16th problem. Look at the problem. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. So here they given third term is a 16, and also they given one condition, the seventh term is exceed fifth term by 12. It means seventh term equal to fifth term plus 12, right? So let me solve here. Given third term a3 is 16, and also they given seventh term a7 equal to a5 plus 12. Seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. A7 equal to a5 plus 12. Is it clear? Now we know that an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here we have a3. So a3 equal to a plus 3 minus 1 into d. So now a3 is 16 and this equal to a, we don't know, keep as it is, plus 3 minus 1 is 2 into d. So call this equation 1. And now here, now the second condition is a7 equal to a5 plus 12, right? So a7 we can write a plus 6d, and this equal to a5 we can write a plus 4d and plus 12 as it is. By using standard formula we can write these two. The formula is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Is it clear? So now here a plus 6d as it is, and now this a plus 4d, these two comes in a LHS side, this become a minus. So plus a become a minus a and plus 4d become a minus 4d, and this equal to 12, right? So now plus a minus a get cancelled. In 6d minus 4d we got 2d equal to 12. So 2 1s are 2 6 are, then d equal to 6. So here we got d is 6. So now from equation 1, from equation 1, so what is our equation 1? So see here, equation 1, 16 equal to a plus 2d. So equation 1 is 16 equal to a plus 2d, and here we have d value, substitute 16 equal to a plus 2 into d is 6. So now a plus 6 to the 12. So here write down remaining term 16 equal to a plus 12. So now the 12 comes in a LHS, it become a minus. So 16 minus 12 equal to a, then a is 16 minus 12 is 4. So a is 4. So here they asked AP. So write down here the a equal to 4 and a2. So a2 is a plus d. So what is a here? 4 plus d. D is 6. So 4 plus 6 is 10. A2 is 10. Next a3. A3 is a2 plus d. So what is a2? 10 plus d is 6. So here 16. So next a4. So a4 equal to a3 plus d. So what is a3? 16 plus d is 6, and add these two, we got 22. So now write down the AP here. Therefore AP will be, so first term is 4, 10, 16, 22 and so on. Is it clear? So well students, look at the next question. Find the 20th term from the last term of a AP 3, 8, 13, so on 253. So here they given AP. So this AP first term is a 3 and the last term is 253, and here we want to find out 20th term from last. So let me solve here. Solution. Given AP is 3, 8, 13, so on 253. So now common difference of this AP is 5. So look at here, the first term is 3 and second term is 8. So 8 minus 3 is 5. So here the common difference is 5. And here they asked 20th term from last. So now we can write the given AP in a reverse order. So therefore this AP can be written in reverse order as, so last term is 253. So here common difference is a 5. So make minus 5, we got 248. So next minus 5, we got 243 and so on up to 13, 8, 3, right? So it is in a reverse order. So now we can find out 20th term. So write down here, for this AP the first term A is 253 and common difference D is 248 minus 253, we got minus 5. Here common difference is a minus 5 when we are writing in a reverse order. So if it is in a original form means the common difference is a plus 5. Now it is in a reverse order, so common difference is minus 5. Is it clear? And here we want to 20th term, it means n equal to 20. Is it clear? So now we know that an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here we want 20th term, so a20, this equal to a first term is 253 and plus n is 20 minus 1 into d is minus 5. Is it clear? So now 253 as it is. So 20 minus 1 is 19 into minus 5. And now here 253 as it is, and 19 into minus 5 we got minus 95. So here 253 minus 95 is 158. So a20 is 158. So write down the conclusion here. Therefore 20th term from the last term is 158. Is it clear? So look at here, they mention 20th term from the ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದ್ದಕ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇದೇ ಎ ಪಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು A20 ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ದೇ ಸೇಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 20th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ we can consider 253 is a first term, right? Then we can find out 20th term. Directly we can find out here 20th term. It means it is completely wrong. Is it clear? Well students, look at the next problem. The sum of 4th and 8th terms of an AP is 24 and the sum of the 6th and 10th terms is 44. Find the first 3 terms of the AP. So here they given sum of 4th and 8th term is 24. It means A4 plus A8 equal to 24, and also they given the sum of 6th and 10th. It means A6 plus A10 is 44. Then find out the first 3 terms of this AP. So let me solve here. We know that an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here they given 4 terms. So it means a4 equal to a plus 4 minus 1 into d. So a4 equal to a plus 3d. Is it clear? And now similarly a8. So a8 we can write a plus 7d, right? So next a6. A6 is a plus 5d and a10. So a10 is a plus 9d. Is it clear? Given that a4 plus a8 equal to 24. The sum of 4 term and 8 term is 24. It means a4 plus a8 equal to 24. Is it clear? So now we can write a4 as a plus 3d and plus a8 we can write a plus 7d and this equal to 24. So now here a plus a is 2a and 3d plus 7d we can got 10d and this equal to 24, right? So now here the whole equation divide by 2. So here 2 to get cancel, 2 ones are 2 5s are, and here 2 ones are 2 12s are. So remaining a plus 5d equal to 12. Call this equation 1. And now they given another condition. The sum of 6th term and 10th term is 44. It means a6 plus a10 equal to 44. So now a6 we can write a plus 5d and plus a10 we can write a plus 9d and this equal to 44 as it is. So a plus a is 2a and plus 5d plus 9d we got 14d and this equal to 44. So now the whole equation is divided by 2. So 2 to get cancelled, 2 ones are 2 sevens are 2 ones are 2 22s are. So write down remaining term here. A plus 7d is equal to 22. So call this equation 2. So now on subtracting equation 1 from 2 we get. So what is equation 2? So look at here, the equation 2 is a plus 7d equal to 22. Equation 2 is a plus 7d equal to 22. And what is equation 1? Look at here. Equation 1 is a plus 5d equal to 12. Equation 1 is a plus 5d. So this equal to 12. Subtracting means the opposite symbol. Minus a plus a get cancelled. 7d minus 5d we got 2d, and this equal to 22 minus 12 is 10. So now 2 1s are 2 5s are, so d equal to 5. Here we got d is 5. So now from equation 1 we obtain. So what is equation 1 here? So look at here. The equation 1 is a plus 5d equal to 12. So equation 1 is a plus 5d equal to 12. So here a as it is and 5 as it is, d is 5 and here 12. So a plus 5 into 5 is 25 and 12 as it is. So now a equal to 12 minus 25. 25 comes in RHS, it become a minus. So a equal to 12 minus 25, we got minus 13. So a is minus 13, and here we want to find out first three terms, right? So find out here. A is minus 13. Next a2 is a plus d. So a is minus 13 and plus d is 5. So minus 13 plus 5 we got minus 8. Next a3. a3 is a2 plus d. So what is a2? Minus 8 plus d is 5. So minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. So here first three terms are there. So write down the conclusion here. Therefore the first three terms of this APR minus 13, minus 8 and minus 3 respectively. Is it clear?